My dear subscribers and viewers and all my well-wishers, I am going to start my video connecting to the previous one regarding transformation of sentences from affirmative into negative. So, today's discussion will be interchange of affirmative sentences into negative ones. So, what do we mean by interchange of sentences? Interchange of affirmative sentences into negative ones or in negative sentences. So the term interchange denotes change of structure of sentences, but the meaning will remain the same in both kinds of sentences. That means we have to change an affirmative sentence into negative one without changing the meaning or the content of the subject. So content of the sentence. Here I am writing some sentences on the board. Very simple sentence. I am writing here, the boy is tall. The boy is tall. So it is an affirmative sentence. If you want to make it negative without changing its meaning, then we have to use the opposite word of tall. And here is present. So we will add not with is. Then we will write the opposite form of tall. The boy is not short. So it will be a negative sentence without changing the meaning of the first sentence, the boy is tall. Like this, Anil is a fat boy. Anil is a fat boy. So this is an affirmative sentence. When we turn it into negative without changing its meaning, we have to write Anil is not a thin boy. Thin boy. So when we have to change these sentences into negative without changing their meanings, then we have to know some vocabulary. That means antonyms and synonyms. That means opposite words of some words. Then it will be very convenient for us to change these sentences into negative ones. Here I am writing some more sentences which will help my viewers and all well-wishers to understand them very well. I am writing, the ball is round. The ball is round. So it's an affirmative sentence, and if we want to change it into negative without changing its meaning, it will be, the ball is not flat. The ball is not or isn't flat. So it will be negative sentence. It will be a negative sentence of the sentence, affirmative sentence, the ball is round. Now I write, the boy runs very fast. Runs fast. The boy runs fast. The boy runs fast. So how we will make it negative? Here run is with S, so it is in the third form. That means third form of the verb in present indefinite tense. So we should take the help of does here. The boy does not run. First of opposite is slowly. Slowly. The boy does not run slowly. So it will be the negative sentence of the affirmative sentence. The boy runs fast. The boy does not run slowly. Now I am writing some more sentences. Apu loves the girl. This is a very good sentence because love word is here. Everybody loves the word love. So Apu loves the girl. If we want to make it negative, then we have to write Apu does not or doesn't hate the girl. Hate the girl. Negative. Again, the very simple and always spoken sentence. It is man is mortal. Man is mortal. So we should make it negative because this is a universal truth, and when the word sentence is a universal truth, we can never change the meaning of the sentence. So it will be man is not immortal. Man is not immortal. It will be man is not immortal. Okay. Again we write milk is white. Milk is white. This is also a very simple sentence, and all of us know that if we want to make it negative, we cannot change the content or meaning of the sentence, because if we change the meaning of the sentence, then the color of the milk will be different, and which is not true. So we have to write milk is not black. Milk is not black. But one thing is to remember, if we write milk is not black, then people may question against this answer. So milk is not black means it may not be white, it may be red, it may be blue or some other colors also. So in this answer there is a question, but in grammar we have to answer in such a way where there must not be any question regarding that correct answer. So in lower class, we also learned in lower class, our teachers taught us like this: milk is white, milk is not black. But for higher classes, there is a question. So in this regard, we will write milk is not but white. Milk is not but white. Here we use the word but, and but indicates or means except. That means milk is not white, milk is not anything except white. Milk is not anything except white. So this will be the accepted or very correct sentence of the sentence milk is white. Its negative form, milk is not but white. Like this sentence, we may write some more sentences. Crows are black. Crows are black. So we may write crows are not black. Crows are not but black. Crows are not but black. Negative. So another sentence, water is colorless. Water is colorless. The sentence itself expresses its meaning in negative form, but its structure is not in negative, because water is colorless. So the popular sentence of this popular form of this negative sentence is water has no color. Water has no color. We may write like this also: water is not colorful. Water is not colorful. Water is not colorful. Okay. Again, we may write the boy is intelligent. The boy is intelligent. The boy is intelligent, and in negative we will write the boy is not dull. The boy is not dull or foolish. So all the sentences we are turning into negative are not changing their meaning. So this form of or this kind of changing of sentences from affirmative to negative is called interchange of affirmative into negative sentences. Here I am writing some more sentences with some other words like this. Everybody loves his motherland. Loves his motherland. This is a very good sentence and it is very true also. Everybody loves his motherland. So when we want to make it negative, we cannot change its meaning. And when there is everybody present in a sentence, we have to write nobody. Nobody hates his motherland. The opposite of love is hates. Nobody hates his motherland. So this will be the negative form of this sentence. Okay. Moreover, we can write this sentence if it may happen that the word is very difficult. Sometimes I may not know the opposite form of the verb or the word, and which helps us to make it negative. Then what should I do? There is a way which we can apply here. There is nobody who does not love his motherland. We can write this sentence in this way also. That will be a very complex sentence, like there is nobody who does not love his motherland. Love his motherland. We can make it negative in this way also. So, in many ways, we can turn an affirmative sentence into negative. So, everybody wants to be happy or wishes to be happy. Wishes to be happy. Very good sentence. Everybody wishes to be happy. Happiness is very important for every person to live in this world. Okay. So we have to change it into negative by using nobody. Nobody wishes to be unhappy. We'll write nobody wishes to be unhappy. But we may write in another form also. There is nobody who does not wish to be happy. In this regard, we have not to use the opposite word of happy. So nobody wishes to be unhappy. Nobody wishes to be unhappy. Again, we may write there is nobody who does not wish to be happy. Who does not wish to be happy. Okay, I hope all of you are getting the point what I am telling you. It's very simple, and if we practice some more time, then these will be very easy for us. And sometimes whenever we get time, then we have to see some words or vocabulary in the form of antonyms and synonyms, having the same meaning and having the opposite meaning. I'll write some more sentences here for practice. Okay. Everyone. We may write everyone in place of everybody. We may write every boy, every man, everyone likes a rose. Likes a rose. So it is also very a good sentence that everyone likes a rose. So what we write? No one dislikes a rose. No one dislikes a rose. Dislikes a rose. It is the negative form of everyone likes a rose. Again, there is no one who does not like a rose. There is no one who does not like a rose. Then we may write every man or everybody wants money. wants money. Very good sentence, no? All of us need money. All of us want money. Money is money. Sweeter than honey. Okay. People also say money is money. Better than wife. Sweeter than honey. Okay. So everybody wants money. If we want to make it negative, we have to write nobody unwants money. Nobody unwants money. Again, we can write there is nobody without using the opposite form of want. There is nobody who does not, because S is here, so we have to take the help of does here. Who does not want money, does not want money. So we write these sentences in double negative. Here is nobody, here again not, and double negative indicates the positive meaning. So in mathematical formation, in mathematical structure, we say minus minus is equal to plus. Like this, negative plus negative is equal to positive. Like this, there is nobody who does not want money. There is nobody who does not want money. In this way, we may write everybody respects an honest person. Everybody respects an honest person. So it is also a very good sentence, and we cannot change it into negative by changing its meaning. So we have to write nobody disrespects an honest person. Nobody disrespects an honest person. Honest person. So we can write in another way also, like the former sentences. There is nobody who does not respect an honest person. So I have given here enough examples of negatives which do not change their meaning in negative forms also. The meaning remains the same both in affirmative and negative. Another kind of sentence I am writing here, say when there is alone and only. When there is only and alone in a sentence, we have to make them negative by using none but in that sentences, in those sentences. None but. So only and alone is only or alone is replaced by none but in negative sentence. Okay. Only Ram can do this work. So this is a sentence having only. So we have to get by heart. If there is only, then we cannot use other rule to make it negative except none but, except using none but. So none but Ram can do this work. Ram can do this work. So this is the negative form of only Ram can do this work. None but Ram can do this work. Again, I am writing here, God alone can save us. This is a very good sentence. Okay. God alone can save us. God alone can save us. So if we want to make it negative, then we have to write none but God can save us. None but God can save us. So I hope all of you have cleared your idea or concept regarding affirmative and negative sentences without changing their meanings. And I hope the students who are going to appear for the HS final year examination So they have it is very important for them because it is prescribed in the syllabus, transformation of sentences, and these sentences are often asked in the final examination of HS course. So I hope they will learn more and they will read more and they will get more benefited by my videos by watching this. So all of you are requested to watch my videos and subscribe and share them as much as possible so that I get inspired from your subscribing and sharing. Thanks, and thanks to you all for watching my videos.